And welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 6 power of 2 divided by 2 times 3 in parentheses plus 4. Now 2 times 3 gives us 6. 6 power of 2 gives us 36. Now 36 divided by 6 gives us 6, and 6 plus 4 gives us 10. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one exponent here that we have to solve it first. Now 6 power of 2 gives us 36 divided by 2. And we have one multiplication here before the parentheses. 3 plus 4 is equals to. Now, according to this rule, multiplication and division have a higher priority than this addition. And multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve from left to right. Now 36 divided by 2 gives us 18. Now 18 times 3 gives us 54. Now this 54 plus 4 gives us 58. The final answer is 58. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you like this video. Thank you.